Wingardium Leviosa! Welcome, muggles!
Today, we are going to be teaching you how to make butterbeer.
You can call us Harriet and Hermione because this recipe is bomb.com.
They would be so proud. We're gonna be using Havana Club for this recipe. This is a dark rum. If you love Harry Potter as much as we do and you wanna make this cocktail at home, go to Bottle Rover and get yourself some booze delivered to your door.
Wingardium Leviosa to your door. Bang. There are two parts to this recipe. First, we're gonna make the whipped topping and then we're gonna make the buttery, bubbly base. Grab a mixing bowl and add a ½ cup of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna whip that up until it's nice and thick, and then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. And then whip it up again.
Whip it real good.
You're gonna set that aside, and now we're gonna get into our bubbly base.
Grab a shaker and add 1 tablespoon of butterscotch syrup. Next, add 1 ounce of rum. You're gonna shake that up real good and strain it right into your serving glass. Next, add 1 cup of cream soda. This is gonna give it the bubbles.
Scoop some of that whipped topping right on top and then drizzle some butterscotch syrup. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And if you make this at home, be sure to tag us.
See you next time.
See you later.